ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। बीजस्यान्तरिवाङ्कुरो जगदिदं प्राङ्निर्विकल्पं पुनर्मायाकल्पितदेशकालकलना वैचित्र्यचित्रीकृतं मायावीव विजृम्भयत्यपि महा योगी वयस्वेच्छया। तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। 11th वार्तिका। पुष्पे फलत्वमापन्ने क्षीरे च दधिताङ्गते विजातीयाः प्रवर्तन्ते गुणारूपरसादयः। इन रूपरसादयः सा हैज two lines, only one is enough. It is Pluta, not Dirgha. So according to Vaisheshika, पूर्व कार्य should be responsible for उत्तर कार्य. Both are कार्य category only. Really karanam is only parmanum. So पूर्व कार्य should become responsible or should become upadanam for उत्तर कार्य. That is what is said. पूर्व कार्यस्य उत्तरोत्तर upadanatve. In that the badhakam means showstopper, something that would not accept this ideology is seen in case of the difference between the nature of flower and the nature of fruit, their color, rupa, rasa, ityadi. Similarly between milk and the curd, etc. So they are vijatiya, they are not sajatiya. Tika उपादानगत गुणाः कार्ये समानजातीयं गुणान्तरम् आरभन्ते इति सम्मतम्। उपादानगत गुणाः, दी उपादान मीन्स उपादान कारण, गत गुणाः कार्ये इन दी कार्यं समानजातीयं गुणान्तरं, समान जातीय गुण but different. That's why it is called samana jatiyam gunantaram. Gunantaram, how will you do samas vigraha? Anyat gunam gunantaram. Anyat gunam gunantaram. Arabante. This is accepted by all, that whatever is there in the attributes which are there in upadana karana, that alone will appear in karyam. But according to Vaisheshika, it is samanjatiya but gunantaram. Whereas according to Vedanta, what do we say? It is not samanjatiya gunantaram. It is same. That only is appearing. We don't say the brown color of clay is different from brown color of pot. Because actually there is no pot according to Vedanta. Where is the question of pot having its own color? So the thinking is so different between different darshanas that you should notice. Tad iha pushpafalayoho kshiradadhnoscha upadanopadeya bhave samana swabhava samana samana swabhavo, that's how you should read, that is lopa shakalyasya. Tadiha pushpafalayoho, so tad, that nyaya, that upadanagata gunaha karye samana jatiyam gunantaram arabhante, that nyaya iha pushpafalayoho, in case of pushpafala, the flower and the fruit, kshira dadnoscha, in the case of kshira and dadhi. What is the pratipadika for dadhni? Dadhi. Dadhin shabda. That's why dadhno ho. Upadana upadeya bhave. If they have upadana upadeya bhava, then samana swabhavo eva ubhayatra gunasyuhu. So then they should have samana swabhava. Na cha tatha drishyante, but it is not seen like that. So they do not have samana swabhavaha. And that's why that niyama bhanga is there. Tasmat purvapar bhave api na purvam karyam uttara karyo padanam ityartha. Even though there is purvapara karya, that after flower alone fruit will come, after milk alone yogurt can be produced. Purvapara bhava is there, but that thing purvam is upadanam for uttaram, that is not valid. According to what we understand, sat alone is the upadanam, and that alone is true, because that you can see that everything is experienced as sat. So in Vedanta, logically if you think, the approach is to take what is common, like least common denominator in all. That is the upadanam. Means you let go of all attributes. That's why Brahma is nirguna. Nirguna, if you take, nirguna will be there in all gunas. But really speaking, nirguna cannot be there in any guna. See, two ways of looking at it. On nirguna, any gunas can appear. Like on blank screen, all colors can appear. But if your screen is already colored, only some colors will appear properly. All other colors will not appear properly. Like if somebody says, the screen on which you are going to see other colors, that screen is blue screen. On blue screen, if you put yellow, it will appear green. So the screen has to be white only, and it cannot have its own attribute. Just like all our sense organs, like eyes are colorless, that's why they can see color. Tongue is tasteless, that's why it can taste all tastes. Nose does not have any fragrance, that's why it can have all fragrance. So we say Nirgunam will be Upadanam for all gunas. But then the question will come, how can Nirguna be the Upadanam or Ashraya or Adhishthanam for Guna? So then we say, yes, you are correct. Nirguna cannot be Adhikaranam or Ashraya for Guna. Therefore, it has to be Vivarta only. So Nirguna, even though projecting all gunas, will remain Nirguna. Nishkriya, projecting all kriya, will remain Nishkriya. Achala, expressing all chalanam, will remain Achala. This is our Siddhanta. Further now, Nanu. So Samana Swabhava eva Ubhayatra Gunasyu. Samana Swabhava. Only Visarga Lopa is there. We don't need to see any other thing there. That Samana Swabhava is for Guna. Nanu Prakasha Sanmatrasya Akashavad Amurtasya Katham Karyarambhakatvam iti chet. Now, somebody understands at least that what we are thinking is wrong. In Vaisheshika, somebody has understood that we are wrong. So now what is their approach? Their approach is to show if we are wrong, you are also wrong. If our idea of creation is incorrect, your idea of creation is also incorrect. So he says, Atma or Brahma, which is Prakasha Swarupa, Sanmatra, and it is Amurta, like Akasha. How can an Amurta, formless Vastu, be Karyarambhaka? Katham Karyarambhakatvam tasya iti chet. Why? Because you don't see anything coming from Akasha. Does Akasha produce anything? No. In Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha Shankar Prasadini Tika, this question is raised. When in the creation it is said first Akasha came, then Vayu. The question is raised, how from Akasha anything can come? Akasha is Amurta. From Vayu something can come, because it is Murta. Na kathanchit iti brumaha. Nothing can come from Amurta Dravya. It cannot be Karya Arambhaka. Katham tarhi karanatva abhyupagama iti chet. Then how there is karanatva in Amurta Sanmatra iti chet? Sarva kalpana rupa vivarta adhishthanatvena rajva iva sarpadharadi karanatvam ityaha. Sarva kalpana rupa vivarta adhishthanatvena karanatvam. All kalpanas, all ideas, all projections, sarva kalpana rupa vivarta adhisthanatvena. Brahma is, or Atma is the adhishthanam. In which way? Vivarta adhisthanatvena. How? What is the drashtanta? Rajva iva sarpa dharadi. Rajju can produce sarpa, udaka dhara, danda, bhuchhidra, and mala, everything. How? Vivarta. Vivarta adhisthanatvena. Sarpadhadadi karanatvam ityaha. Karanam karyam shomshi jati vyakti guni gunaha. क्रिया क्रियावान् इत्याद्याः प्रकाशस्यैव कल्पनाः कारणं कार्यमंशोंषि जातिव्यक्ति गुणी गुणः क्रिया क्रियावान् इत्याद्याः प्रकाशस्यैव कल्पनाः. Anand ji, you can hear? I couldn't hear you chanting. So karanam karyam, so he gives all these kalpana. Prakashasya eva sarvaha kalpana. All these are kalpana of prakasha, means chaitanya, shuddha chaitanya. What are they? Karanam karyam, one pair you have to see. Karya karana, pair. Amsha amshi, amshaha amshi. Jati vyakti, he will explain, and you probably know these terms also. Amsha amshi, part and whole. Karya karana, cause effect. Jati vyakti, the species and the individual element or individual entity. Species and individual entity. Guni gunaha, attributed and attribute. Kriya kriyavan, action and actor or doer. Ityadyaha, not nityadyaha, kriya kriyavan ityadyaha prakashasyeva kalpanaha. All these are kalpana of prakasha alone. Bijam, examples he gives in Tika. Bijam karanam. What is karanam? Bijam. Ankuraha karyam. Patomshi, pata is amshi. Tantavaha amshaha. So amshomshi, anshu anshi or amsha amshi. Tantu is amshaha and pata is amshi. Gotvadir jatihi. Gotva is jati. Sasnadimal lakshanaha. Jati, so Gotva jati, what is the lakshana? Sasnadiman. Sasna means that skin which is hanging for a cow in the neck area. That is called sasna. So Gotvaha, Gotvadihi jatihi. Sasnadimal lakshanaha. Pinda vyaktayaha. Gopinda. Each cow is a vyakti. And Gotva is jati, which is there in all. Patadir guni, Rupadir gunaha. Pata etc. they are guni, and Rupa etc. they are gunaha. So in guni there will be gunas. So these are the different sambandhas. Karya karana sambandha, amsha amshi sambandha, jati vyakti sambandha, guna guni sambandha. Then kriya kriyavan. Kriya means chalanam, and its ashraya will be called kriyavan. Tad ashrayatve, ashrayatvena abhimataha kriyavan. What is that? Bana, chakradi, arrow, wheel, etc. They are the kriyavan. Adyaha, all these. So generally in Tattvamasi Mahavakya, this question can be raised. Both of you can hear, right? In Tattvamasi Mahavakya, the question can be raised that between Tatpada and Tvampada, of these five, which relation is there? Are they Karya Karana? Are they Amshamshi? Are they Jati? Tatpada, Tvampada. Tatpadartha, Tvampadartha. Karya Karana, Amshamshi, Jati, Vyakti, Guna, Guni, Kriya, Kriyavan. So in Shankar Prasadini Tika, this point is taken up and all five are refuted. That there is no such sambandha between Tvam Padartha and Tat Padartha. They are actually indicating the same thing. Samanadhikaranya is there. Then Adi Padat, some more things are pointed out. Adi Shabdat, Vishesha Visheshi, because Dravya Guna Karma, Samanya, then Vishesha. So Vishesha is brought. Vishesha Visheshi. Samavaya is there. So Samavaya hai Samavayi. Yat Samavetam Karyam Utpadyate Tat Samavayi. What is Samavayi? Yat Samavetam Karyam Utpadyate is Samavayi. Samavayi Karana, that's how we say Samavayi Karana. And that Sambandha will be Samavaya Sambandha. So Samavaya, of course this is more only Nyaya Vaisheshika. But Visheshana Visheshya, this you will see anywhere. Neelam Utpalam. Neelatva will be Visheshanam. And Utpalam will be Visheshya. Or Dandi Devadatta. Danda will become Visheshanam. So what is the difference between Neelam Utpalam and Dandi Devadatta? Neelam Utpalam, blue lotus, can become Guna Guni. Whereas in Dandi Devadatta, it is Visheshana Visheshya only. Because the Danda is not in Devadatta. It is outside of Devadatta. Sadrishaha Sadrishyam. Another such sambandha is there. Sadrisha Sadrishyam. Similar and similarity. So Chaitra is Maitra Sadrishaha. Chaitra is same as Maitra. Then what is the Sadrishyam? That both of them, they have same parents, both were born on the same day, same month, same year. In this way, you can show some, they are like twins. So Sadrishyam is there. Sadrishyam means that Bhuyo Samana Dharmatvam. Tad Bhinnatve Sati Bhuyo Samana Dharmatvam is Sadrishyam. They are different, but they have lot of Samana Dharma. So Tad Bhinnatve Sati Bhuyo Samana Dharmatvam Sadrishyam. It is not the same. All these Karya Karana, Amsha Amshi, Jati Vyakti, Guna Guni, Kriya Kriyavan, Vishesha Visheshi, Samvaya Samvayi, all of them are etaha sadrishyam ityadi grihyate etaha kalpanaha vyavaharaha prakashasyaiva sanmatra spuranasyaiva vivarta rupaha ityartha. They all are only vivarta. In other words, everything is vivarta of sanmatra, atma. So the question is, do I feel my own body as vivarta of sanmatra? This is the question we have to ask. Do I think my mind? Remember, this is another major aspect of Vedantic sadhana. To do the pankti lagana is one aspect, where you know Shabda Rachana, the Padavakya Pramana Jnana, how which Pramana, these, that, everything you can apply. But finally you have to put this, that do I think this Ahankara, this Mano Buddhi Chitta, this Deha Indriya Prana, all this is only Spurana Matram in Sat Brahma. And that Sat I am. And this Deha is not me. And if Acharya's Sharira is Vivarta and Shishya's Sharira is also Vivarta. Everything is Vivarta Rupa. In this way, I should understand. They all are Sarpasthaniya. That's why in the beginning itself he gave example. Rajva iva Sarpa. So how often I think that this is all Sarpa only, and in my room everything is Brahma, but appearing as Vishesha Nama Rupa. आरंभवादे वा परिणामवादे वा परमार्थतः कार्यकारण भाव निरूपण असंभवात्. In Arambhavada, Parinamavada, from absolute standpoint, you cannot show any Karya Karana Bhava. Paramarthatah Karya Karana Bhava Nirupana Asambhavat. Why? Because you will not see that there is one Karanam for all Karyam. And even if you show something, it will have all Shruti Virodha. Yukti Virodha is so much like in Brihat Prasthana, in particular, not much in Advait Siddhi, but in Khandana and in Chit Sukhi, the whole purpose of Khandana is this only. In Khandana Khanda Khadya, if any, because it is Vitanda Grantha mainly, you know this, the three Samvada, Vada means Samvada, there is a dialogue, then Jalpa and Vitanda. So Chit Sukhi is more like a Jalpa. Khandana is Vitanda. In Khandana, only it is pointed out, you are wrong. Nyaya, Vaisheshika, everything, whatever, I should not say, because otherwise you will not study only. Whatever, anything is said, everything is refuted. And if somebody will ask, okay, you tell what is your Vedanta Siddhanta, he says study Brihat Prasthantraya. That is already given in Prasthantraya. You study Vedanta Matam. I will not tell you. I am here only to do Khandanam. So, how they are erroneous, incorrect is pointed out, which is said in Mandukya also, how Asatkaryavada, Satkaryavada, they all are incorrect, etc. So, Arambhavada, Parinamavada, they will not work. Paramarthada, Karyakarana Bhava, Nirupana, Asambhavat. Vadantarasya Ati Tuchhatvad. You say, what about other Vada? You know, this Satkaryavada, Asatkaryavada, you are not discussing. You said they are wrong. What about others? You say they are so insignificant, childish thinking. Actually, even Nyaya Vaisheshika is childish as far as Vedanta or Sankhya Yoga is concerned. That's why Sankhya is the Pradhana Malla, not Nyaya. Ati Tuchhatvat. Swaprakash Chidrupe Chidatmani Maya Vijrumbitam Jagat iti Abhipraya. That's why other Vadas like Swabhavavada, Shunyavada, they are not even refuted. Much effort is not even taken. Shunyavada says, what about this? He says, what is your matam? Everything is Shunyam. What about you? He says, I am Shunyam. You say, why should we discuss with Shunyam? You are not even there. So, according to Vedanta, Swaprakasha Chidrupe Chidatmani Maya Vijrumbitam Jagat iti Abhipraya. Nanu evamapi Paramanavavo va Pradhanam va Satchetanam Bhavishyati. Okay, you are saying that which is the Karanam of this Jagat, it is Sat and it is Chetanam, right? We say yes, that which is the Karanam of Jagat is Sat Chetana. It says Parmanu also can be Sat Chetana, or Pradhana also can be Sat and Chetana. Sat means Satta, Chetana means Sphuranam, Sphuratta. Bhavishyati. How? He says we have Shruti. Saya Esho Animai Tadatmyamidam Sarvam. In that Anima word is there or not? Anima means Anu. So Parmanu can be there. And Tama Asit, Tamasa Gudham. So that is Jada Prakriti, Tama Asi Tamasa Gudam is Rigveda from, the number is given 10. Dashama Mandala will be there. Iti cha Shrutyoho Paramanu Pradhanayoho Sarva Karanatva Avagamat. The Chandogya Shruti can be taken for Paramanu as the Karanam and the Rigveda for Pradhana as the Karanam. Sarva Karanatva Avagamat. Iti chet. So it is said that yes, but are they Chaitanya? Tatraha Chaitanyam Paramanunam Pradhanasyapi Neshyate Jnanakriye Jagat Kliptau Dashyate Chetanashraye Chaitanyam Paramanunam Pradhanasyapi Neshyate Jnanakriye Jagat Kliptau Drishyate Chetanashraye. Paramanunam pradhanasyapi chaitanyam na ishyate. Of the paramanus or pradhanam, the consciousness, sentiency is not accepted, is not there, is not presented. It is never said Paramanu is Chaitanya or Pradhana is Chaitanya. And Jnana Kriye Jagat Kriptau Jnana Kriye Chetanashraye Drishyate. In Jagat Kalpana, Jagat Kliptau, so in the Srishti, Jnana Kriye Chetanashraye Drishyate. In the second line, the Uttarardha, Jnana Kriye is the subject, is the Karta. Drishyate is Kriya. Jnana Kriye Drishyate. In Jagat Kriptau. Jagat Kriptau means in Srishti, in the projection of Jagat. Chetanashraye. Chetanashraye Shabda, you know what that Shabda is? Which Vibhakti is that? Chetanashraye is Saptami Ekvachanam. And Jnana Kriya is? No. Jnana and Kriya, are they two Shabdas or one Shabda? हाँ, प्रथमा द्विवचनम. Kriya Kriye, like Rama Rame. It is Samasta Pada. And therefore Chetanashaya will be is Samasa. There is also Samasa, but it is not like just as there is Jnana and Kriya, there is Chetana and Ashraya. Chetanam Ashrayam Yayoho. Yayoho Kayo Jnana Kriyayoho Tasmin Chetanashraye. That is the Vigraha. Chetanam Ashrayam Yayoho Jnana Kriyayoho Tasmin Chetanashraye Jnana Kriye Drishyate. So Jnana and Kriya, they both should have Chetana as the Ashraya. They are always seen in Chetana, not in Jada. Paramanu and Pradhanam are Jada. Na ishyate, neshyate, vaisheshikaihi, sankhyaischa iti shesha. By Sankhya or Vaisheshika, Paramanu or Pradhana is not accepted as Chaitanya. So how can that be Jagat Karanam? Na yujyate cha. And it doesn't agree also. it is inappropriate. Na yujyate means it is inappropriate. Why? Yato jagat karane ikshana purvika srishti shrutau shruyate. Since jagat karane, in the karanam of jagat, jagat karane, what is the vigraha? Jagatah karane. Shashti. In the cause of this creation, ikshana purvika srishti is there. In Shruti, it is heard. Shrutau shruyate. Ikshana purvika srishti. Where tadaikshat chandogya iti. Tadaikshat bahusyam prajayeya, in this way. So ikshanam is there, and this is the main thing, that ikshana cannot be in jada. The whole purpose of having ikshana or so akamayata, that kamana cannot be in jada. So jada upadanam is eliminated by those words. Sa ikshata lokannu srija iti Aitareya Upanishad. So Chandogya, Aitareya, Taittiriya, in all of them ikshana is given. Sa ikshan chakre, in this way also it is given. Na cha tat tatastha ishwarasya kartuhu nimitta bhutasya iti yuktam. So first is, it should be chetana karanam. Okay, ikshana purvika srishti. Then somebody may say, okay, we can have Ishvara as nimitta karanam, and that nimitta karanam is Chaitanya, and upadana karanam can be jada. What is wrong? Ishvara can do ikshanam. Ishvara is Chaitanya or not? Yes. So Ishvara can do ikshanam and upadanam can be jada. So it is said that tatastha Ishvara, nimitta karana Ishvara, cannot be the nimitta of this creation. Tat tatastha Ishvarasya, tat means ikshanam. Tad ikshanam tatastha Ishvarasya kartuhu nimitta bhutasya iti na yuktam. That is not proper. Why? Because the creation is not from the Chetana Nimitta, but the creation is from Chetana Upadanam. This is the difference. Why? Because the Shruti says, Bahusyam prajayeya iti atmanah eva bahu bhavana shravanat. Bahu is separate word, syam is separate word. Bahu syam prajayeya. Syam, syam is as dhatu, as bhuvi, vidhiling. Syam, syava, syama. Syam is uttama purusha ekvachan in vidhiling. I will become, bahusyam means I will become many. And prajayeya, prajayeya, pra upasarga purvaka jani pradurbhave dhatu, vidhiling. Jayeya, jaye vahi, jaye mahi. Churadigana. So, Chaturtha. So, I will become many. Not that I will produce many. If Ishvara is Nimitta Karana, then his thinking will be, I will produce many. Like Kulala will not say, I will become many pots. What will he say? I will produce many pots. But when in Swapna, for example, I will become many. Because I alone am appearing as all. This is the Bheda. So, Tatastha Ishvara being Chetana is not enough. You should have Chetana Upadanam of Jagat. This is what Shruti wants to show. Iti atmanah eva bahubhavanashrava. Atma means whatever is the nimitta karanam alone has to become all. It cannot remain away from Jagat. So all other religion and all, they accept this formula only, that Ishvara is there somewhere. He willed, he did something, and then matter went on coming somewhere. Etena cha, by this, pradhana parmanvoho anatmatva angikaradeva anupapannam iti udahrate shruti na tad vishaye iti. Etena cha, by this, that upadanam has to be Chaitanya, by such Shruti, pradhana parmanvoho anatmatva angikarat. That pradhana parmanu, you all have already accepted. Sankhya says pradhana is jada, and this Nyaya Vaisheshika, they say parmanus are jada. So their anatmatva is already accepted. Angikarat eva anupapannam iti udahrate shruti. Udahrate shruti. What is this udahrate shruti? Shruti. Shruti is what? Dvitiya dvivachanam. And udahrate is adjective for visheshana for that shruti. So shruti udahrate, the two quotations that you gave earlier, the sa eshonima aitadatmyamidam and tama asit tamasa gudam, these two shruti, udahrate shruti, na tad vishaye. These shrutis are not talking about Chaitanya is the upadanam. The shruti you pointed out, but that shruti, they are talking about Chaitanya upadanam, whereas it doesn't fit in your philosophy. So like in Saesho Anima is the Chaitanya upadanam, but if you just take the Anu part, then that Anu will be Jada. Similarly, Tamaha Asit, that is Jada only. So they are not talking about Chetanam upadanam. Na tad vishaye. So they are not referring to Chetana upadana karanam. Okay, clear? So here this portion is done. Now Purvapaksha. Nanu tava ishvaraha kutastho abhimataha tasya katham jnatritva kartritve syatam iti ashankya, not ashankhya. Kha, you have to change it to ka. He said, your Ishvara is Kutastha. Our Ishvara, who is Nimitta Karanam, Tatastha, if he cannot create, yours is Kutastha. What a nice words. Our Ishvara is Tatastha. Your Ishvara is Kutastha. How can Kutastha Ishvara have Jnatritva Kartritva? Because you say Jnana and Kriya both have to remain in Chetana. How will Kutastha can have Jnatritvam Kartritvam? Jnatritva Kartritve Syatam. Syatam Dvivachanam. Syat Syatam Syuhu. Iti ashankya. Te api tasyaiva Maya Shakti Yogat Syatam. Te ke Jnatritva Kartritve. Te ubhe, both of them. Tasyaiva, tasya kasya? Kutastha Ishvarasya. Tasyaiva, Kutastha Ishvarasya. Means Kutasthasya Ishvarasya Maya Shakti Yoga Syatam. With Maya Shakti Yoga, Ishvara can have Jnatritva Kartritva. Na asya, na anyasya. Iti abhipretya, not of anybody else. Only Kutastha Ishvara with Maya Shakti will have. Iti aha jnana kriyeti. Achetane kwapi anayoho adarsanat. nowhere else you will get this vyapti that achetan can have jnanam or achetan can have kriya. Achetane kwapi anayoho ज्ञान क्रिययोहो अदर्शनात् चेतने कुलालादौ दर्शनात्. बट इन चेतन कुलाल इट इज दे आर सीन. जगत क्लृप्तावपि ते चेतनाश्रये एव अंगीकार्ये इत्यर्थ. एंड देयरफॉर इन द जगत सृष्टि also they should be accepted in चेतन आश्रय अलोन एव अंगीकार्ये. ज्ञातृत्व कर्तृत्वे और ज्ञान क्रिये इत्यर्थः. देयर अलोन यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट. तथा च जगत कारणस्य ईश्वरस्य कार्यकारणोपाध्यवेशात् कुलालजीवस्यैव कार्यकारण तत्संस्कारात्मक मायोपाध्यावेशात् ज्ञानक्रिये शक्ति भविष्यत इति उक्तम्. That being the case, तथा च means since that is the case, therefore जगत कारणस्य ईश्वरस्य of ईश्वर who is जगत कारणम कार्य कारण उपाधि आवेशात्. in that ईश्वर कूटस्थ कार्य उपाधि and कारण उपाधि both will come. कुलाल जीवस्य एव कार्य कारण तत्संस्कार आत्मक माया उपाधि आवेशात् ज्ञान क्रिये शक्ति भविष्यत. लाइक हाउ कुलाल हु इज ए जीव, इन हिम दिस कार्य कारण तत्संस्कारात्मक माया उपाधि आवेशात्. सो दैट कुलाल जीवस्य इज ओनली दृष्टांत. रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट you should connect to the moolam only. Only thing is kulal will have samskara of this is the karyam, ghata is the karyam I have to do, karanam will be whatever is required. So the upadanam will be sahakari karanam, all of that. Like that here maya will be in the form of karya and karana. कार्य कारण तत्संस्कारात्मक माया उपाधि आवेशात्. सो विथ माया उपाधि कार्य कारण आवेश ज्ञान क्रिये शक्ति भविष्यत इति उक्तम. तथा च वैयासिक न्याय सूत्रम यथा च तत्क्षोभयथा इति. सो दिस इज द ब्रह्म सूत्र विच वी विल सी टुमारो. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओम.